Hey teens, welcome to this week's Message for Monday, a useful message for teens in 4 minutes or less. First off, some announcements. This week is our virtual hangout. It's usually the last week or the last Thursday of the month, but because of Thanksgiving, it's going to be this Thursday, 6 p.m. We're going to be playing Quiplash, and the winner of Quiplash will get a $25 Amazon gift card. So show up on time so you can be one of the players. We'll see you there. We also have our training room this Tuesday where we'll be talking about our final message for anxiety, how to eat it. Yeah, that's the whole anxiety is like a turkey analogy. So we'll see you on Tuesday. But today, I wanted to give you a quick message for any teen who feels like their parent is trying to control them, which at times is probably all of you. Now, moms and dads try to control you because they don't know how to do it differently. If they're trying to control you, it's because they don't know how to do it differently. And sorry, mom and dad, you're doing it wrong. Okay? Now, I say you're doing it wrong because parents, of course, can teach you correct principles, tell you what they think you should do, and they should totally have rules and boundaries and whatnot. But if they're trying to control you, you're getting frustrated, they're getting frustrated. Now, it's not the best way. Now, there's typically 3 different methods that I see parents try to use when they're trying to control their teen. I mean, there's lots of them, but these are 3 that I see. There's the Marionette Method, where mom is like, if I pull all the right strings, I'll get my teen to make the right choice. And this is when they come up to you and they're like, sweetie, I set up an appointment for you with a college counselor, printed out the college application, it's on your bed, and I cancel all your plans this weekend. Apply for college. Right? That's mom trying to pull all the strings, right? Then there's also the carrot method, where they're like, hey, if you get straight A's, I'll buy you that cell phone you want. And they hold the cell phone, they're like, you want it? Get straight A's. And they're trying to lead you and trying to reward you. Nothing wrong with these, but if they're trying to use it to control you, then again, probably creating some frustration. So this is what you can do about it. First off, teens, realize that your parents are probably never going to change unless they're getting coaching in the Firmly Founded Parent Program, which if they're not, you should totally suggest that they should. But unless they do that, your parents are never going to change. They're going to try to control you. And the one thing you can do is to change the way you view their actions. If you are viewing mom or dad as trying to control you, being manipulative, judgmental, passive aggressive, then it's going to make your time with them not that much fun. You're going to resent them. You're going to avoid them. You're going to push back on them. And all that stuff doesn't need to happen. You're going to be with your parents for at least until you're 18, for however many years that is. And while you can't control them, you can control how you view them. Here's my suggestion. If you have a mom or dad who is trying to control you, realize that they just love you. And you can just love them back. You don't need to try to get them to stop. You don't need to view them as being judgmental or whatnot or controlling, because that will not make your time with them any fun. In fact, if you decide to just love them and just be like, you know what, they're trying their best, this is going to make your time with them bearable, nay, even enjoyable. And especially with the holidays coming up, I thought that would be a useful thing to tell teens. So that's your message for today, and we'll see you at the events this week.